Athletes are delivering. Let us look now at Class 2 girls. This is one of the competitions where the top 3, the top 2 are so close. But here we go.
In lane 1 from Homo Tech, it's Nicalia Russell.
Yeah, Russell from Homo Technical, 1184 in the semi-final.
Lane 2 from Excelsior, Kedoya Lindo.
She just saw her teammate win gold in the Class 4 for both the first and second race. Does she get up for a medal?
Lane 3 from St. Mary High School, we have got Shayon Smith.
Shayon in another final, 1151, the Eastern champion this year.
In lane 4, she finished 4th in this final last year. Representing Edwin Allen, it's Carol Etienne.
The fastest qualifier from Dominica, and she is representing super well, super fast starter doing Excel. If she gets out well, she will be hard to catch.
The silver medalist from last year runs out of lane 5, representing Woolmer's NATRECE East.
Super fast finisher is NATRECE East, 1147.
She just saw her Wilmerian counterparts doing well in the Class 3 boys.
Lane 6 from St. Jago is Shania Campbell.
Shania knows that St. Jago has 2 in this final and she wants both to score heavily, 1169 to get to this final.
The bronze medalist from last year's final runs out of lane 7 for St. Jago, Adora Campbell.
Yeah, they adore her. Bronze last year, will want to upgrade, but this is a tough field.
And the 4th place finisher in the Class 3 final last year, stepping up now to Class 2 from Mount Alvernia in lane 8, Gianna Murray.
Never count her out. Mount Alvernia's top Class 2 sprinter. She's in lane 8. But this comes down to 2 young ladies in the middle of the field.
On your marks.
Etienne, Edwin Allen at 11:42. NATRECE East, I would say, the slight favorite from Woolmer's girls, 11:47 to get here. Shayon Smith from St. Mary expected to get that bronze, though Adora Campbell is going to have something to say about that.
People have asked for this matchup for a very long time, and this season culminates here at Champs with Etienne and East of Woolmer's.
This should be a fabulous race. The big 2 in lanes 4 and 5. East and Etienne.
Set.
Off they go, clean start. Fabulous start by the big 2, Carol Etienne and NATRECE East. On the inside from Excelsior, we've got Kedoya Lindo. NATRECE East puts her foot on the pedal and goes away for the gold medal in brilliant fashion. Carol Etienne of Edwin Allen pulled up. 11.17 seconds is the flash time for NATRECE East. We wait for the wind reading. Positive 0.5 meter per second, it looks like. 11.21 seconds for NATRECE East. That's an absolutely superlative performance. It's a new lifetime best. The silver medal in 1161 goes to Campbell. That's Shania Campbell from St. Jago. What a brilliant performance from this competitor, NATRECE East of Woolmer's. 11:21, just outside the record of 11.16.
Carol Etienne, the best starter in this field, but she did not get out any faster than NATRECE East. NATRECE East, the fastest finisher, puts Etienne under pressure immediately. She pulls up NATRECE East. The Woolmerian goes away with a new lifetime best, 11:21. She's won the gold in the 100 meters as a Class 4 girl. She won the gold as a Class 3 girl in the 100 meters. And now in her second year Class 2, on your screen, the tall, the elegant, the beautiful NATRECE East of Woolmer's has just run her personal best, positive 0.9 win, 11:21. Dwayne, tell us about it.
Yeah. She goes above Simone Facey with that 11:21 on Jamaica's all-time list to number 17. Gianna Murray sneaks in, stuck in for second.
Here we go, Dwayne. NATRECE East for the gold medal. Silver last year, upgraded 1 place this year in 11:21, a new lifetime best. Gianna Murray, silver 11:61, and Shania Campbell, the bronze 11:61 as well. We're going to toss it to trackside quickly and hear from the 2 Woolmerians who took 1-2 in the Class 3 boys final.